Hello, I'm Fangtian, a graduate student in Department of Chemical Engineering, University of North Dakota. My topic is evaluation of the wastewater evaporation using fuzzy logic model. As we know, for the high salinity organic wastewater, evaporation became one feasible treatment to reduce the wastewater disposal amount, and the separated condensate could be recycled as water resources. Mechanical vapor recirculation (MVR) is one of the evaporation techniques which is used for wastewater desalination. It has a high energy efficiency and belongs to energy-saving evaporation process for saline wastewater treatment, as it uses less electricity to recover the latent heat of the vapors. However, its application depends on many conditions. In this study, at least 9 conditions, 3 from wastewater, pH, chemical oxygen demand, COD, and solid content. 3 from condensate, pH, COD, and electrical conductivity. 3 from the evaporation process, initial boiling point, evaporation fraction, and elevated or final boiling point. We have got 57 wastewater samples and get the 9 parameters for each sample. Finally, 41 samples could be evaporated directly by a mechanical vapor recirculation. The judgment is 1. The other 16 are not. The judgment is 0. Some results were shown in the figure. For example, in figure 3, when the electrical conductivity is over 2000, the judgment is 0. When the COD in the condensate over 10,000, the judgment is 0. When the final boiling point over 114, the judgment is 0. And when the initial boiling point is lower than 105, the judgment is 1. So these cases are easily classified. However, more data were mingled. Therefore, we could not be easily distinguished. It was still difficult and time-consuming to determine if the wastewater were directly suitable for the MVR process manually. So the fuzzy model was developed to study the property and determine if the samples were directly suitable for mechanical vapor recirculation. 5 most important parameters among the 9 was considered. Between the mean level and the max level of each parameter, the values would be linearly distributed between 1 and 0. The detail is shown in the table 1. So this is the 5 parameters, the mean level, the max level. Finally, in the default process, if the average of the value over 0.6, it will be recognized as 1. If not, it will be recognized as 0. So the test result was shown in the confusion matrix in table 2. There are totally 4 mistakes among the total 57 observations. Then we calculate the kappa coefficient. Finally, we get 81.2%. As it is between 0.81 and 1, it indicates near perfect agreement. So the fuzzy logic model could be used to evaluate and classify the wastewater evaporation. So the conclusions, the relationship between the 6 property and the judgment were analyzed. Some rules were clearly indicated in the figures. As the kappa coefficient of the fuzzy logic model result was 81.2%, it indicates it evaluates and classify the wastewater evaporation with near perfect agreement. Thank you very much.